Hi, kindergarten. Our lesson today is about community helpers, just like yesterday. Our learning target says we can explain different jobs in a community and tell why they are important. Community helpers are important by Karen Jones. People that live in a community have different jobs and responsibilities. Each helper is important. Our community would not be the same without them. Farmers are community helpers. They plant food and raise animals. Why are farmers an important part of our community? Barbers and hairstylists are community helpers. They cut our hair. Why are they an important part of our community? Construction workers are community helpers. They build and fix things. Why are construction workers an important part of our community? Chefs are community helpers. They make food at restaurants. Why are chefs an important part of our community? Cashiers are community helpers. They help us pay for things that we buy. Why are cashiers an important part of our community? Meteorologists are community helpers. They tell us what the weather will be like. Why are meteorologists an important part of our community? Reporters are community helpers. They go on TV and tell us what is happening in the world. Why are reporters an important part of our community? Scientists are community helpers. They study ways to help people and the earth. Why are scientists an important part of our community? Librarians are community helpers. They help to take care of our libraries. Why are librarians an important part of our community? These are just some of the important helpers in our community. What kind of job do you want to have when you grow up? Okay, friends, here is the page you'll be working on today. Just like yesterday, you're going to write the word on the line to match the picture of the community helper. Don't worry if you don't know how to spell the words. There's a word bank in this box right here. Also, make sure you do the quick check at the bottom, and I hope you have a great afternoon.